Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing really well, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Rochelle and I do lifestyle content and a few challenges here and there. I'm so happy to have you here on my channel, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for all of the love that you guys showed on my makeup tutorial. I say like this again, I was not expecting that whatsoever because I was so nervous putting that out there, but you guys liked it, so I'm happy about that. Anyways, for today's video, it's a special one because it's my mother's birthday, so this is going to be her birthday vlog. As of right now, I am hiding in my bedroom. The door is closed and locked, so she won't be able to hear me. I know that for sure because I am going to wrap her gifts. I have also planned a surprise for her with the help of my aunt and uncle, of course. As you guys have seen them before on the channel, Abby and Savia. Even though we're not celebrating her birthday right now because my sister is having her board exam, so we don't want to take away that time from her. So Savia was like, I still want to come and surprise her at least for like 1 hour or something. So they're coming home today to surprise her at 12 o'clock. She has no clue that this is happening and I'm so excited to see her reaction. So yeah, that is the plan, and right now, as I said, I'm going to wrap the gifts. The only problem is, wait, I'll show you guys. So as you can see, I have her gifts right here and I also have the supplies for it. But the only problem is I have so little of this paper. I completely forgot to go and buy wrapping paper, and then I have a few of these, I wouldn't call them gift wrapping paper, but I kind of use it for that. And then I went to our gift wrapping section and guess what I found? I found Christmassy wrapping. I know this we used for our Christmas last year. This is way more birthday-y than these, but if I run out of wrapping paper, I'm gonna have to use this. And I already told her, are you okay with having Christmas wrapping on your birthday? And she was like, yeah, it's totally fine. So that was the only problem that I ran into. So yeah, I'm going to start wrapping the presents now. I got her 2 bags, as you can see here, and I'm not sure which one she would like, so I just ordered them both. And I also got her a few other things from Amazon, but her big main gift, we already have given it to her. That was last night we gave it to her because we couldn't wait, my father, my sister and I did not record any of that because I just wanted to be in the moment and be there with her as she opened the gift. She absolutely loved it, so we are very happy about that. These are just some gifts that we wanted to give her on her actual birthday. So we have this thing in our family where we know our birthday is coming up, we'll just tell them what we want and like we'll give a list of a few things, and it's up to the person to choose what they want to get for you. She shared her Amazon list with me and she wanted these gel nail polish thingies, and you use this for under the UV lamp. I'm not sure about this. She has done her research. I'll ask her later and let you guys know how it is. With the nail polish, she has not asked for this yet. I was like, since I'm getting her the gel nails, I as in my father and my sister as well, we got her the gel nail polish, so why not just get the UV lamp as well. And then she also wanted this watch from Casio. It's a very classy watch. I will show it to you guys on her hand later. And then this was something I wanted to get her for a while now. I actually was supposed to get it for her on Valentine's Day, but it was not coming in time, so we got her something else, and I was like, okay, now's the right time. In March I can give it to her, it's not too late. And now I'm going to wrap up this clip because it's getting late. It's already 9 o'clock for me, and my aunt and uncle are coming 12 o'clock on the dot to surprise her, so I need to buck up and I'll start wrapping now. The first gift is all wrapped nicely with Christmas presents. I still can't take myself seriously with this. Now I decided to go with the Christmassy theme because otherwise it'll be all mismatched, and I had this red bag as well, so I just put one gift in here, so it's red theme. And the funny thing is, you guys, she absolutely hates the color red, does not like it whatsoever. I'm going to keep this aside now, and then I will be waiting for my uncle and aunt to come. They are going to text me soon. Actually, I didn't even check if I got any text message. Okay, I'm going to catch up with my aunt and ask her when they're coming, and then I will show you guys the surprise. So I'll see you soon.
Happy birthday!
Thank you so much.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Blossom.
Thank you, Daddy.
Welcome. How are you?
We are all fine.
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
God, when did y'all come? There's no check. Y'all won't come. Thank you.
Hi, vlog.
You are
तेरा गिफ्ट तो ले डैडी से.
Okay, open. Start. A newspaper. Mama, you're actually going to fold all of them.
Yeah, I need paper. No. अबे इसके क्या यार?
दूसरा गिफ्ट है, पहले वो तो ले अंदर से.
Oh, auntie, you got the book. Thank you.
Which book?
Encyclopedia.
What is this? Oh, the one you were looking for.
This girl, she fooled me again. Even I didn't know. ये क्या बड़ा पाव है क्या? ऐसे लग रहा है.
Ladi pav, ladi pav. This is going to take 10 years
Oh
to
my
open.
God, Abby.
You just cut it with the knife, lady.
Another box, Abby.
Can you open, man? What is your age?
Oh my god, that is so.
Come on, quick. Beyonce has school
I know
exam.
poor Beyonce has been studying some entertainment for her.
Where did you collect all this from? The bubble wrap and
From
all.
the house.
So much of bubble wrap.
Blossom with the cultural surroundings.
Look at the mess. It's like piling up more and more and more. 1 hour? You finished all of this. Wow.
चाय का पत्ती है. अभी चाय में पीता भी नहीं है.
कौन है रे?
What is that?
Filler and all in it.
Oh my god. Wait, it's on my slipper.
No, it is not. If it is a car key, thank you very much.
छोटू कार छोड़ दे.
So it was worth it.
What it? What it?
Yes.
Hey, what if it's not that? Yeah.
What if it is empty?
No.
No.
I know this fragrance.
Still there is something.
No,
One more
this is
packet.
the perfume. Oh wow.
Oh,
Beautiful.
Thank you so much.
awesome. See, worth no?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Blossom. May God bless you. Little glossy girl, we saw you. And you are the first grandchild in the Rebella family.
Happy birthday, Blossom.
Happy birthday. All the best. Have a good day. Bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Blossom.
Have a nice year ahead. Happy birthday, Auntie Blossom.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Blossom. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Blossom. Have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Blossom. May God bless you.
Happy
birthday, Blossom.
Hello, Blossom Chitta. All the best on your special day.
Happy birthday, dear Blossom. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, dear. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Blossom. God bless you.
Happiest birthday. I love you so much, Blossom. And lots of love. Can't wait to see you soon.
Wishing you a very, very happy birthday.
Wish you a happy birthday by Raxi and family.
Hi, Blossom. Have a very, very beautiful birthday. Wishing you the best always. I miss you so much. Enjoy your day. Have a blast. Love to the girls.
Hi guys, it is the next evening. Actually, it's the same day because yesterday they came to surprise Mama after 12 o'clock. So technically it was already the next day. Anyways, it's evening time and we are going for dinner now. So we are all just getting ready and I finished doing my makeup just now. I had to comb my hair and then I realized I didn't update the vlog. So I picked up the vlog now and we are going to an Indian restaurant. It's like a Gujarati or Rajasthani thali type situation and I'm very excited. It's all veg. So because it's my mother's birthday, we are going there and it looks really good. We looked at pictures and the thali and the aesthetics of the place looks really nice. So I'm excited for that. What?
Kakiyawadi.
The restaurant's name?
Yes.
Okay, my father is saying it's called Kakiyawadi. I don't know if I pronounced that well. I'll put up
Kakiyawadi thali.
Okay, Kakiyawadi Thali. I will put it up on screen for you guys later because I am not able to pronounce the exact word. I'm wearing this romper as you guys have seen before. It's this beautiful linen romper and it's perfect because the weather is not the coldest right now, so this cotton romper is perfect. So yeah, I'm going to finish getting ready and I'll see you guys in the car or at the restaurant. we've reached the restaurant. I don't know if you guys can hear me, and I'm hoping I don't get copyright because there are like Hindi songs playing in the background. But we are at the restaurant and it's called Kathiawadi Thali. This time I got it right. And the spread looks amazing, you guys. There are so many varieties. Half of the names I don't even know. So once I go back home, I'll do some research and put every single name for you. It looks amazing, and they have my favorite dessert. It's made with some dal. It's a halwa or something. So I am very excited. We haven't eaten a proper lunch yet because we are going to come and eat this big meal. So yeah, I will see you guys with the review. Look at this puri, it's so cute. All of the chapatis, and I don't know what this is. What is this, mama? Okay, this is thepla and everything is so cute. I just ate this and it is delicious. It's called dal pakwan. So far?
Yeah.
Are you happy it's vegetarian today?
Yes.
Dada, did you like it?
Amazing. For a change, I'm loving vegetarian food. The Gujarati Rajasthani combo is excellent.
I know,
Much
right?
recommended.
Yeah. Beyonce. You all need to talk louder. The music is very amazing. Okay, thank you. I just finished eating my meal. I'm at the dessert stage right now and I am stuffed. Stuffed but in a good way. It's not like over full or anything. It was such a complete meal, like the dals and the different vegetables and the desserts. I am eating the, what is this called? Moong dal halwa. I keep forgetting the name, but it's my favorite. So I'm eating that first, and then they also had jalebi. Jalebi is like always the best. And then there's something else also, some custard like thing. I've not tried that yet. Shrikhand also I haven't tried yet. So we have 4 desserts.
Amazing. Shrikhand is amazing.
Yeah, they got this specially for us. It was not on the menu, but they got it for us. So that was really nice of them. Even something else, some dal curry thing. Dal bhati. That also they got. Okay, that. They got that special for us as well. So it was a really good experience. You must come here. Even the ambience and the service, excellent service, I must say that. So yeah, that is it. I will meet you guys back at home now. Does anyone else only eat these things out of the soft mixture? Because I hate everything else except these because they're sweet. We are back home now. I'm already in my PJs. As soon as we came back home, I changed and we were sitting on the couch and talking. And then I came into the washroom to come and take off all this makeup. I was in the middle of doing that. I'm going to do the scrub and everything. And I realized I never ended the vlog. So here I am ending the vlog. As you guys just saw, we had such a good meal at Kathiawadi Thali. It's such a tongue twister for me because I don't usually speak Hindi that much. It's just English. So please do not mind my pronunciation. And I really wanted to say a big thank you to Mr. Kamal and Mr. Umesh, the managers over there. They took such good care of us. We had a wonderful experience. They brought us 2 extra dishes that was not even on the meal that day. And the thing with this restaurant is every day you have different dishes in the thali. So when we went today, these 2 things weren't there, but they were like, we'll get it for you. So we got to try all of that. And yeah, that is it for today's vlog. My mother thoroughly enjoyed, as you guys saw, especially with the gift that my uncle Abby, he wrapped it so many times. I don't know how he did that. He was like, he did that in 1 hour with newspaper, there was bubble wrap, there was different takeout bags, and he reused, and that's what I loved. And we had so much fun. That video was literally like, I was continuously recording, and it took mama about, I want to say 10 minutes to open the full gift and get the perfume out of that. And the perfume, you guys, amazing. Baccarat Rouge, my mother's favorite perfume. So she finally got that, and she also got her 2 favorite recipe books. Like that recipe book she had got when she just got married, and then when we came here, it's somewhere in the house, or while shifting it went missing. I don't know what happened to the book, but Hazel Nana, her aunt, for me Nana because we call Nana grandma, she bought her that from India when they've come here to visit, so she brought that for her and she was so excited. And surprise part 2 was such beautiful and sweet messages from her family and friends. I just added a little snippets because there were personal messages in there, and also if I would have added the whole thing it would have been very long, this vlog, so I just added snippets of it. That is it for today's vlog. I hope all of you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye you guys.